Hi, it's me Nazar, welcoming you on my YouTube channel, which is Advices by Nazar. So today's topic is very interesting. So this will motivate you and myself. So today's topic is how to make money online and what you need to do. Certainly, let's elaborate on some of the key aspects of making money. Employment. Many people start by getting a job. Your salary or wages are typically determined by factors like your education, skills, and the demand for your expertise in the job market. Climbing the career ladder, pursuing promotions, or switching to higher paying fields can increase your earnings over time. Starting a business can be a way to make money by providing products or services to customers. It often requires initial capital, a solid business plan, and the ability to manage risks and adapt to market conditions. Successful entrepreneurs can generate substantial income and wealth. Investments. Investing in assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds can generate returns over time. It's a way to make money work for you. However, investing comes with risk, and it's essential to understand the market and have a diversified portfolio. Education and skills. Acquiring education and skills can lead to better paying jobs or entrepreneurial opportunities. Continuous learning and staying up to date with industry trends can enhance your earning potential. Savings and budgeting. Saving a portion of your income and managing your finances wisely is crucial. This allows you to build an emergency fund, invest, and grow your wealth over time. Networking. Building a strong professional network can open up job opportunities, partnerships, and business collaborations that can help you make money. Innovation. Creating new products, services, or solutions to address market needs can be a lucrative way to make money. Innovation often requires creativity, problem solving, skills, and the ability to identify opportunities in the market. It's important to note that making money may involve taking calculated risks, facing challenges, and learning from failures. It's crucial to set clear financial goals, manage your resources wisely, and be adaptable in your approach to making money. Here are some more points to consider when it comes to making money. Passive income. Creating sources of passive income such as rental properties, royalties, or investments in dividend paying stocks can provide a steady stream of money with less active effort. Side hustles. Many people engage in side gigs or part-time work in addition to their main source of income. These side hustles can supplement earnings and potentially become full-time businesses. Online opportunities. The internet has created numerous opportunities to making money, including freelancing, e-commerce, blogging, content creation, and online tutoring. These can be accessible to people with various skills and interests. Financial education. Gaining a solid understanding of personal finance, investments, and money management is essential. Financial literacy can help you make money, make informed decisions about how to grow your wealth. Market trends. Staying informed about market trends and economic conditions can help you identify opportunities for investment or entrepreneurship. Being aware of consumer demands and emerging industries can be beneficial. Risk management. It's crucial to assess and manage risk when making money. This includes diversifying investments, having insurance, and having a financial safety net to protect against unexpected setbacks. Continual improvement. Continuously improving your skills, knowledge, and work efficiency can lead to better job opportunities, higher income, and more changes for advancement. Tax planning. Understanding the tax implications of your income and investments is essential. Efficient planning can help you keep more of what you earn. Long term goals. Having clear long term goals, financial goals, and a plan to achieve them can help you stay focused and motivated in your pursuit of making money and building wealth. Personal finance management. Keeping a close eye on your expenses, creating and sticking to budget, and eliminating unnecessary debt are important aspects of managing your finances effectively. Remember that making money is a dynamic and evolving process. The strategies and opportunities can change over time, so it's important to adapt to new economic conditions and stay open to learning and growing as you work towards your financial goals. Advice. Prioritize financial education and mindful money management. Financial education and responsible money management are foundational to your financial success. Learn continuously. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investments, and different ways to make money. Read books, take courses, follow financial guide. In our fast-paced world, remember that financial education, planning, and mindful money management are essential. Prioritize learning, set clear goals, and be adaptable. Create an emergency fund, manage debt wisely, and think long term. Seek expert advice when needed, live mindfully, and share your financial knowledge with others. Achieve a balance between financial success and personal well being to secure a brighter future. Simple daily life examples based on the financial lessons, emergency preparedness, and mindful living. In emergency preparedness, you use the funds from your emergency fund to pay for the repairs, ensuring you don't have to rely on credit or loans to address this unexpected expense. These everyday scenarios demonstrate how financial lessons like emergency preparedness and mindful living can be applied in real life to make more informed and responsible financial decisions. So, saying you goodbye for now.